Can you guys see the giant fish? Probably not, but it's right there. Anyway, I'm gonna walk across this bridge and see if I can still see him. Or it. Uh-oh. There it is. It's swimming downstream. There it is. It's swimming downstream. Its fins out of the water. Oh, there's a little one behind it that's white. Whoa. That was fast. The other one's still there. The big one took off. There's too much glare from this angle. They hide down under that tree right there. I think I see one of them's tails. Anyway, we got to see the big one. Cool. Let's see if I can cross without any hands. I'm doing it.